Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. I'm doing well too. So it's been a long time. I have not been active on YouTube due to some reasons. I did make a video last week, but unfortunately it got deleted and I was unable to upload it. So here I am again. So with an informative video with regards to education loan. So this video is dedicated for those who are seeking help in education loan and who wants to have knowledge about education loan, how it works. So big story short, I have tried to make it as simple as possible for everyone to understand and made it easy for everyone to get hold of. So beginning with, when you are decided which college you'll be going to and which university you'll be going to, which country you'll be traveling to, you will know that whether you need a finance help or not. Like if you have enough finance to sponsor yourself in the country that you'll be going to, or you need some education loan, and rest of the things. So as soon as you know you'll be going to the education loan, you need to begin with it as soon as possible, because this is gonna be big trial, I would say, because it's a kind of hurdle which you need to pass. It's gonna take a long time. So until now, whatever you have done preparing for exams, securing the seat, securing the deciding the country which you will be traveling to, all these things are okay. It was also an hurdle, but this is gonna take a long time. There you had a planned estimated time within which you would have got the things done, but here you can't estimate the time. Okay, within this week it will be done, within 2 weeks it will be done, because it completely depends on the lenders that you will be going to. So yeah, let's get started. Once you have decided that you'll be taking education loan, the first thing you need to do is, if you have any personal loans under your name, you need to close it, because you cannot proceed with the education loan if you have any personal loans on your name. That's what happened with me also. I wasn't aware that we shouldn't have any personal loan under my name if I need to have education loan, which took again some time. I was a bit shocked, but I needed education loan, so I somehow managed to close my personal loan. So if you have any personal loan, try and close it as soon as possible so that you can proceed further with the education loan. Second thing, when you are taking education loan, there are two types of education loan that you can opt to. One is collateral loan and another one is non-collateral loan. So what is collateral and what is non-collateral? A simple collateral wherein you are going to provide surety or security in for the loan that they are providing, and in non-collateral you don't need to provide any security or surety as such. And when it comes to collateral, again, what are the things that you can provide as a surety? Either you can take education loan keeping your home as collateral, or gold, or any kind of assets. Even you have option for co-applicant, but this co-applicant, it's like someone else is signing on behalf of you, that in case if you fail to repay the loan amount that you have taken, they'll be responsible for it. So usually nobody will be ready to take that risk, and we obviously will be, very rare case that co-applicant option will be applicable. And when it comes to other kinds of asset like home, agricultural land, or gold, there are so many things that you need to consider. You need to get the current value of whatever the asset you'll be keeping as a collateral to the bank. And in case if you have the loan already on the asset that you'll be keeping as a collateral, and then that is a different scenario. Again, you need to, like, whatever the EMIs that you have already paid and what is the current value that you have remaining, based on that your loan amount will be decided. And also, when you have an university and particular country, when you go to bank, the first step that you will do when you go to bank and ask for the education loan, they'll ask you which country and which university you'll be going to. Based on which tier that university comes to, they'll estimate certain loan. You'll be eligible for so and so much of loan. So yeah, there are lots of things that you need to consider when you are applying for education loan. So if you are the person who is seeking for help with regards to finance in terms of education loan, here is a platform called Gyandhan, which is India's leading education financing marketplace. Student advocacy, wherein students love and highly rated across platforms like Google, Facebook, and Quora. They are working with leading financial players in the country like SBI, Axis Bank, Prodigy, Union Bank, Auxilo, and all ICICI Bank. So it's kind of all private and government sectors. So they are their trusted loan partners whom they are working with. So the first and foremost thing that you do when you join the Gyandhan or when you are working with Gyandhan is that checking your loan eligibility. It is applicable for both students who are in the application phase and also for the students who have already applied for a loan elsewhere. Because for students who are in the application phase, if you haven't received your admission letter, checking your loan eligibility helps you determine whether you qualify for an education loan. You will also find out the maximum loan amount you can obtain based on your profile and the applicable interest rate. As I already said, the interest rate really matters a lot. Even 0.5% decrease in the interest rate would help you a lot as you will be taking a large sum of amount. Gandha's loan eligibility AI tool provides all these details, making the process straightforward and transparent. And coming to the point, how does it really help for those who have already applied for loan elsewhere? Even if you have applied for a loan from another lender, it's beneficial to check your loan eligibility. You might discover that you qualify for a loan with a lower interest rate, potentially saving you money over the loan term. This ensures you're making the most informed financial decision. To summarize all these, Gyandhan is going to provide you end-to-end loan counseling, personalized loan options, easy application process. So they are going to help you starting from the loan application process until the loan amount is dispersed. They are going to help you in all the steps wherever you need their help. And also, not just the lenders that they will suggest you, but they will also give you an option to select from most different lenders. For example, you can shortlist few of the banks and then choose whichever you like based on your interest and based on the interest rate that they are going to provide you, whichever is convenient for you. So you can opt for one of the lenders that you will be going to. Furthermore, to add, for whatever the service they are providing, it's an easy application process. They are going to help you with each and every step in all the phases of your education loan process. All you need to do is just click the link below in the description box and fill out the information that they have asked for, and then you can check the eligibility. That is the first thing you need to do when you are applying for education loan. You need to check if you are eligible to apply or not, regardless of you have already secured seat in a college, or if you are still in the phase of securing your seat. If you are looking for, you'll be already knowing you will be taking education loan or not, so you can start with this step, because this should begin as soon as possible. As the education loan delays, your visa will be delayed. As the visa will be delayed, your flight tickets booking will be delayed, because you can't book your flight ticket without knowing whether you'll be getting visa or not. There are multiple things that goes in visa. It's not just finance, or it's not just the education history that you have. There are so many things that will be considered. So if you start this education loan process hand in hand, it's gonna be much easier for your visa, and then further for booking flight tickets, because as much as you delay the flight, as the dates are nearby, the tickets price is gonna rise. So you need to be very careful. In case if you are wondering how much it would cost and what would they charge for you to do this counseling and all, let me tell you all, it's free of cost.
What?
Yes, you heard it right, it's free of cost. So utilize as much as possible, take help from them, don't make things harder on you, try to make it as easy as possible. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you, see you all again, bye bye.